Hey there, and welcome to BridgeText.com's tutorial on how to merge identically structured datasets in R. Well, why would you want to do that? If you work with data at all, you will have realized that oftentimes you will have multiple sources of data. Someone will have a survey in one place, and maybe there's a different version of the same survey somewhere else. If the structure is the same, which means if the variable names are the same, and if you don't have any real deviations between the data sets, you can merge them pretty easily in R. Now, in order to show you how to do that, I'm going to actually mock up some data using this code. I don't expect you to know this code, and it's not really part of the tutorial. I just want to do it so I can start to create these two data sets for you. If you have your own data sets that are identically structured, then the same logic is going to apply. So what I did is, and if you want, you can pause and you can look at the code here, or you can grab it from bridgetext.com if you really want to dig in. I just went ahead and created data on 10 subjects. And I've numbered them 1 through 10 on IQ and income. And now I'm going to create a second data set that is structured sort of identically, right? So I'm just going to rename that group 2 data. So whereas before, as you can see here, I had group 1 data, I'm just renaming this group 2 data. And that's probably the most important part, is for you to just realize, right, if you have these two names and if you've just ensured that everything is identical, then the merge is pretty easy. So let's confirm that. Well, as you can see, we have the same variable names, same cases, lowercase, subject, IQ, and income for both of them. And notice that group 2 just picks up where group 1 left off. So we had 10 subjects here, and now we're going from 10 to 11 through 15 here. And now what we would really like to do is have these in a single data set or a single data frame. In order to do that, I'm going to type in the code, just pause and let you see what it is. We're going to create, well, the first thing that we want to do is just give that data frame a new name. And I'm just going to call it merge data, just because it helps me to understand that, oh, okay, this is the sum of some pre-existing data sets. I'm going to use the rbind command here. And here, within the parentheses, we're just going to specify those two data frames that we had before, which, as I showed you, were group 1 data and group 2 data. And then I'm just going to print out the new data set so that you can confirm that everything is sort of just tacked on there. And that's pretty handy. Now, notice that's not going to work if the data set is, one of the data sets is not identically structured to the other. But if they are, then you're in luck, because this command can really help you out and shorten your work for you.